Spoiler alert, Notion is not dashboards. Notion is actually just an app where you build pages. That's it. Pages that can hold anything. Text, images, even your to-do list. You can even build databases, which sounds kind of corporate, but I promise it's not. A database is just a collection of pages with the same details of information, like a reading list where every book has a title, an author, your rating, and whether you actually read it or just told people that you did. It's okay. I understand. The dashboard part, now that's where things get interesting. That is all you. You get to decide on how you organize all of that information with even more information on a page so that it looks like a cute little dashboard. Notion doesn't do that for you, which is why we're here. We've got to understand all of the pages we need in Notion and how they work together before we can get to those cute little dashboards. Next up, I'm breaking down all of the Notion terms that you're going to need to go to get started. You ready? There are 5 Notion words that you need to know before things start to make sense. Number 1 is your workspace. Everything you build lives in your workspace. Number 2 is the sidebar. This really is the left side navigation that you can find outside of your workspace. The third thing is a page, a to-do list, a dashboard, a database. All of those things are pages. Everything in Notion, it's a page. The fourth thing is a block. Everything you put on a page is a block. A sentence is a block, an image is a block, a database, you get it. It's a block. You're basically just stacking blocks to build pages. The fifth one is a team space. This is a section within your workspace that you can find in your sidebar, and you can organize pages together. It's like a folder, but make it Notion. Now that you can speak Notion, I'll show you what we're actually going to build with it. I'm organizing my entire life like a 5-star resort in Notion. Let me give you a tour of what I'm thinking. Resort has amenities, right? Girls got to get taken care of. The restaurant handles all of your food. The spa is your health. The vault is your money. The social club is your people and plans. The library is your reading list, your watch list, anything you're learning. Property management is all the stuff you've got going on at home. Business center is for your work, your side projects. The concierge is your travel, itineraries, plans, packing list, you name it. The dressing room is your style, like your wardrobe, makeup, and the suite is your personal space. Every amenity gets its own page. Every page gets its own databases with page-level dashboards. And eventually, it'll all connect into one single dashboard view. Turns out a fancy little resort in Notion is all I needed to get inspired to organize my life, and I'm bringing you with me. I've used so many organization apps, and the problem is always that they're trying to run me instead of me running it. In Notion, you can have due date reminders, overdue counters, notifications, even streak trackers. All of it works, all of it's available, but none of it is required. Some people want their setup pinging them all the time to remind them to do things. Other people just want it to quietly hold their hand until they return. We're building the whole thing together, so I'll be showing you where all of those features live and how to turn them on or off. Your Notion setup, it should work for your life, not the other way around. The only thing standing between you and lesson 1 is a free Notion account. So head over to Notion, create your account. It should only take you like a minute. When you log in, you're gonna see a sidebar on the left. There are some starter pages that Notion gives you in your workspace, so you can get acquainted with that area. Don't delete them just yet, and don't overthink them either. Just click around and get curious. Before we start building anything, you've got some homework. Notion has this thing called Notion Faces, where you can create your own Notion illustrated style profile picture. It's free and you can access it from your account settings. Once you've created your Notion account, click your name in the top left, go to Settings, then My Account. You'll see a button that says Create Your Portrait. Click that and it'll take you to Notion Faces. Now, you don't need to have a Notion account to be able to create your Notion face, but we want to take you through this process so that if you want to add that little avatar to your Notion account, you can. Once you get to Notion Faces, it'll generate a random hand-drawn little face for you, and you can go in and start to personalize it. You've got some pretty typical options like skin tone, eyes, hair. even some accessories. But there are a few creative choices as well, like a spoon on your nose, eating a donut, drinking boba, wearing bunny ears. With over 500 options, it's all about making it your own. When you're happy with your selections, hit save. You'll have the option to choose your background. You can add your name or a caption, select your download preferences, and then you can go back to your Notion account settings, upload your profile picture with your new face. That little portrait in the corner of your workspace now, that's all you. So go make your face, share it with me in the comments. I'll go first. That's everything you need to know before we start lesson 1. You've got the vocabulary, what we're building, you've got a Notion account, and you have a cute little face. Lesson 1, we're gonna get started on building things. That resort with those amenities, we're going from concept to real page. I'll see you at check-in.